guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by Omgherhair Hair, so I'll be installing this wig and reviewing it for you guys. These are the goodies that came in the package, and they sent me over their Yaki Straight 360-degree frontal wig. So it's a full wig, and I love the Yaki Straight texture on it. This wig is pre-parted in the center. It's pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you can see. But guys, look at this lace. It's their new design, super fine HD lace, and it has a clean bleached hairline, guys. It looks so good straight out the package. Now the back of the unit is also pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so if you do a high ponytail, it looks really natural. They also added an upgraded adjustable removable strap with the silicone on it, so your wig stays fitted to your head. Now what I absolutely love about this wig, guys, is a new type of a band to the wig right here. It's so small you can barely see it, but it's their invisible adjustable band. So if you're doing a high ponytail, you can use this to make it fitted to your head, and I think this is just genius. I will be leaving the link for this unit in the description of the video, so please go ahead and check that out. Also, leave a like on the video, and if you're new over here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The first thing that I will be doing, guys, is cutting off that excess lace from the back of the unit. And I'm just showing you what a high ponytail would look like on my wig head right here, so you can imagine how it would look on my head or your head. So the invisible adjustable bands at the back allows you to do a nice fitted high ponytail. You can go completely glueless with this wig because the design is so specific and so unique that you can go absolutely glueless. So I love that. Let's go ahead and start getting this wig ready for my head. And just some specifications of this wig, guys. It is in 20 inches. Again, it's a Yaki Straight wig, and it's 180% density. The color I got is natural, and I got an average wig cap size. So firstly, I'm going to cut the excess lace off the unit and use some of my hairspray to secure the wig. This came pre-parted in the center, guys, but you can go ahead and part it to the left, to the right, or do no part at all. Like if you're doing a high ponytail, you can do no part. I did use the wig gripper band. That's what you're seeing under the wig right there, and that did come in the package as well, so everything is just conveniently packaged for me. Now I'm going ahead and I'm laying down this lace. And guys, as you can see for yourself, the lace is just melting away into my skin. I have done minimal effort, and as I apply it down, it's just melting away and looking so good. It looks very natural, and I love how they plucked it because it just looks like it's just gradually coming from my scalp. I also love the parting space on it. It goes all the way back, so I get a lot of parting space. That also helps the wig look more natural, guys. So this is the wig laid down and melted into my skin, and I think it's looking really good. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use those adjustable straps that I showed you earlier, these right here, and I'm just adjusting it to the size of my head, and I'll just be playing around with the wig a bit. Here I'm trying to do like a little half up, half down, which I think would be so cute, so cute. And then I'm just going to have it all up in a high ponytail, then a low ponytail, and you can also do a high bun with this, guys. No, I didn't apply any spray. The back here is completely glueless. So now that I have an idea how it would look, I'm going to use my scrunchie to secure the hair and to kind of give it a more tight, uniformed, clean look, so you guys can see what it look like in an actual ponytail. And again, it looks so good, like it's growing from my scalp. I still did not add any glue or spray to the back of the unit. This is 100% glueless, guys, and it looks so good. I will not be adding any baby hairs to the unit, just laying down the sides right here to kind of give it a clean, completed look and to mimic my natural, how my hair naturally grows. So I'm just using my foaming lotion to lay that down, and then guys, I'm just going to use my hot comb to kind of comb through the hair. It came out the package looking really good, so I didn't need to apply a lot of heat to it. What I just sprayed was heat protector, guys. So now I'm using my hot comb and I'm laying the top of the unit really flat, just like I like it. But so far I think the unit is looking really good. It's looking so natural. So I'm just going to leave it just like this and apply some of my concealer to the parting space so that I can brighten that a bit. And that's it for the installation of this unit, guys. I think this was so quick, so easy, and looks so good. This is the final look of the unit, guys, and to be honest with you, the moment since I've installed this wig, I have not taken it off my head. You guys have been seeing me rocking it and asking me where it's from. It's from Omgherhair, and I love it. I've been doing my little ponytails, so all around I recommend the unit. I love the yaki straight texture. Remember, the link to the unit is in the description, so please go ahead and check it out. Thank you Omgherhair for sponsoring today's video. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.